My name is Yukiso Tsuruta. I am the Business Development Director at SemiQon. I lead commercial teams including business development, marketing, communications, and partnerships. SemiQon is a spin-out from VTT Research Center of Finland. We started operation in 2023 with co-four founders. We are a hardware company developing and manufacturing silicon-based quantum chips and cryogenic CMOS electronics for quantum computing, space applications, and beyond. We can fabricate our chips at the Micronova Center located in Otaniemi. So this is also another unique point for our operation model, that we design, manufacture, and test our product in-house. So we don't outsource production, we do every process in-house. Potentially, quantum computing can solve issues, problems that classical computers cannot solve, or classical computer would require years of time. In the field where we are operating, there are mainly two challenges, scalability and energy efficiency. Now today's quantum computing architecture is designed for a few hundred qubits operations. And this works well, but not for millions of qubits. And our technology is a solution for these scalability issues. So our technology can have more qubits in the same size of the chips, and cryogenic CMOS can be operated in a cryostat, which is extremely cold environments. So these two technologies can enable scalable quantum computers. And for the energy efficiency point of view, supercomputer and data center AI server, those are working simultaneously, but very high power consumption. And then adding this quantum computer in this ecosystem, then power consumption can be lower, and even the calculation can be faster. So that's something we are aiming to do today. In 5 or 10 years of time, if everything goes well, we would become next Intel or next NVIDIA. The moment when I engage with clients and even they got strong interest in our technologies and product, including like large corporates, large international corporates, everyone knows, then I really realize that we have the technologies that we can change the world.